Shorty, yeah, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix.
Hey guys, it's Baby Girl Tay. Today we're going to be dyeing my hair blue. I went to the salon to get them to bleach it, and look how they missed the edges right there. Some spots are pink because I've dyed my hair before with semi-permanent dye. I got like a dark blue from Sally's, coconut oil conditioner, mixing bowl, and then a leave-in conditioner I got from the salon, a diamond brush, then me feeling myself.
Yeah, rabbit's watches in his pocket.
You're going to want to push back all your edges and put on Vaseline everywhere. So you want to push back your edges so you don't get the Vaseline on your hair. This is the blue hair dye, and then I mixed it with the conditioner to stretch out the color. I think I got hair dye on the floor. Make sure you have on gloves and everything is covered. I was really screaming inside on how good it looked when I first applied it. I'm using this tiny spatula that I got out the bleaching box to get the edges more precise.
White rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Chatter with the flowers. Watch the seconds turn to hours. It's time for high tea. Madmen and hats and cats up in the tree.
My edges really go far away on my damn forehead. That's why you need the Vaseline, so it could just wipe right off.
Wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Wandering around in Wonderland. Wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Who are you? Who are you?
That little bun back there is dead, just looking like a cotton candy ball. Yes, look how precise that is. Barely messy, and there's mad Vaseline on the back of my neck, so I can just wipe the rest of that residue off. I forgot to record putting on a shower cap and waiting for the hair to truly develop its color. This is the result. I love this color on me, and I honestly think I'm gonna keep it for a really long time. I have on my Lemon Lemonade lip scrub. You can order from my boutique at lbbstore.com. I'll have the link down below. Now I'm gonna go ahead and style. I'm using Moroccan oil, argan oil, Eco Styler gel, and argan oil mousse. I did this bun mad perfect, but yet the camera wasn't angled in the right area, so I'm sorry. All I did was put it in a high ponytail, wrapped it around, and pinned it up. This is the result of the Lemon Lemonade lip scrub when it's off. Leaves your lips red, plump, full. Here I'm putting on the Red Rosary gloss. I put in those dazzling clips that are from my boutique that you can order online.